Bo's Garage here. Quick little update. I just helped someone fix on my neighbor's cars. I thought this information was useful. Number one, they were having problems getting the car to start and stay running. And he had an aftermarket sound system in there. Capacitors are fun in games until you loosen up your battery cable, don't tighten it down all the way, and then go for a drive. The capacitor was taking away the necessary juice for the car to stay running. When the mid was charged, the car would die because it no longer had enough juice to keep running, all because of a loose battery cable. So remember, folks, check your battery cables before you decide to go on a road trip or finishing up putting in an aftermarket stereo system. It's just common knowledge. Batteries keep your car running and alive. If you don't have them, your car isn't going anywhere fast. It's been a helpful tip from Bo's Garage. Bo's Garage here, back with a 1979 Dodge Power Wagon. Well, got some news and an update. There's been a bit of a fallout between myself and Church. We both co-own the Dodge, and the Dodge is going to go with him. So, probably the last time you see her on the channel, but we had fun. You know, people liked her at the show, and they enjoyed it. Enjoyed seeing it. So now, getting the Dodge ready to go back to church, taking all my shit out of it. So, it was fun. I know Church is a decent fucking guy. So he'll take care of her, so making sure I get all my last minute things out from in here. So that'll be good, yeah. But, you know, this shit happens. 1979 Dodge just happened to be caught right in the middle of it. But 79 Dodge is going back with Church, so we'll go from there, I guess. You know, things don't always work out in the real world. What is this? Interesting. There's my identification stuff. But yeah, the 79 Dodge is returned to Church, so it'll just be me and Mackenzie all over again. And I know y'all enjoyed watching the old Dodge at the car show and having some fun, but shit happens. So, yes, at this moment we're yeah.